morning, health enthusiasts. So anti-aging, it's a topic on everybody's tongue. Some people are doing Tai Chi, others are doing infrared saunas. And although all of these modalities are incredible to stave off the effects of age, not many people are talking about the impact of the brain's exposure to the modern day dilemma of information overload. Yes. Oh, and by the way, if you are looking for your glasses, they're on your head. So let's get into the probabilities of melatonin as a therapy to stave off the effects of memory decline, as well as impacting your cognitive excellence well into your later years. Melatonin, so exactly what does it do and how can it help stave off the effects of aging on our brain? Well, firstly, there's a principle, there's a concept called astrogliosis. In essence, in a nutshell, what this is, there are certain immune cells within our brain that monitor what's going on. And when there is debris like that of dry leaves or dead trees in the woods, and the park ranger comes along and lights them up in a controlled fire, that's what these microglia, the immune cells, do. However, in certain circumstances, when there is an imbalance happening in the body's synergistic relationship or communication within the environment, often these microglia become hyperactivated, leading to the outcome of astrogliosis, the unfortunate overactive of astrocytes, the breakdown of their efficacy to be able to communicate effectively between neuron cell bodies. Melatonin, however, steps in. It regulates the cytokines that cause this initial reaction for the microglia to become hyper-responsive. And regulate is a very important word because it doesn't suppress, but rather modulates the effects so that we still get the cleanup without the excessive fire going on within our minds. In addition to that, what it also does, it helps to fuel progenitor cells that produce specific immune surveillance players, such as monocytes or macrophage, as well as granulocytes like eosinophils and basophils. So in essence, what these particular immune cell players do, they monitor what's going on before anything really big comes into play. And in their monitoring, they allow the adaptive immune system, the snipers of our arsenal, to know exactly what's going on and what to do with precision. However, as with most things, if we do not take care of our aging factors or the contributing factors to age, these progenitor cells lose their efficiency, causing an overwhelm to these snipers to start shooting at everything within the body, creating low-grade chronic inflammation. So what melatonin does, it actually helps to not only improve upon the production of the progenitor cells, which actually end up in the increased production of monocytes and granulocytes, but it also improves upon the recognition that these monocytes and granulocytes have within the body so that they do not put energy where it's not needed. And in doing so, it actually helps to improve the ratio between two major complexes of T cells, your CD4 complexes and your CD8 complexes. The CD4s are like your coach to the team, and your CD8s are like the guys who actually make the touchdowns, right? So it's important that the coach tells the team exactly what it needs to do so that when energy is put into effect, we have every single time a touchdown for our immune systems. So melatonin, there is a way in which it can support staving off the aging dilemma to your brain, giving you better memory, helping you to remember where your glasses are, and very importantly, keeping you optimized. Until we meet again next time, remember, stay optimized.